Hi guys, it's Machaela. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Boxycharm by Ipsy monthly unboxing. I haven't got a chance to try everything in this box, but the couple things I have tried, I do have some thoughts on. But anyway, I will go ahead and leave the retail of the individual items on the screen as well as the total retail value at the end of the screen. So it is a beauty, hair care, skincare subscription box. They choose 2 power picks for you and you get 3 choices for yourself. And I really like that they're doing this because it gives me a little bit more freedom, but also gives me a chance to try things I wouldn't otherwise try. But let's go ahead and start with one of the items that they picked for me, and this is the Laura Geller Soft Satin Sister Essential Palette. I'm wearing it on my eyes today, and I gotta admit, I love it. I think it's like the perfect everyday palette. I love how you got your 6 mattes here, and then the 2 shimmers you can use as both highlighters, as well as for the eyelids as your shimmer shades. I mean, every time I say those 2 words, I get fumbled up, but and I think it looks stunning as both. I haven't tried the deeper shade for a highlight. It might be a little bit too deep for me, but I do love it on my eyes as well as this one. And this is really just one of your kind of like quick on the go everyday palettes. And if you would like a tutorial on how I've been using this palette, please let me know. I will gladly share it with you. This is the first Laura Geller. I think anything I've tried a primer from a Boxycharm in the past before, but this is like the first of her eyeshadow formula that I've tried, and I gotta admit, I am impressed. And again, this is like your perfect everyday palette. So if you would like a separate tutorial, feel free to let me know. And the next item that I got, that was one of the picks they picked for me. It's their, I think it's called their Power Picks. It's the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Blush in the shade Big Ego. I was so excited when they picked this out for me because it's been a long time since I picked up anything from Tarte, and I've got a lot like on my wish list to try from them. I just haven't done it. This is the shade that I got. I'll go ahead and swatch it real quick. But it looks like one of those, like, and I don't know how well the camera is going to pick up on it, but it kind of looks like one of those like bubbly pink shades. I almost picked up the Persona blush in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty in the shade, I think it's called Bubble, but when I saw that this was in my Boxycharm, I decided that I was just gonna hold off and try this out first. But so I'm a little bit scared it might be very pink, and it might be, I've heard it described as a glossy finish. So this kind of formula, and I know I have a couple of blushes in my collection that are like this, the more glossier the blush, the harder it is to put stuff with it or on top of it or to go with it. So I'll have to try it out and see how it wears, but that's kind of my fear, is that it's just hard. Like it seems like the kind of product that would work really well on its own, but to work with other makeup products might not work so well, so I might have to finesse it a little bit, but hopefully it doesn't do that. Then I've got my 3 personalized picks. So the first one is the Haus Labs. It's their lip crayon. I got this particularly in the shade because it goes really well with this. Again, I haven't tried it yet. I'm surprised to see Haus Labs in the box. I have wanted to try some from this brand. I'm not a huge Lady Gaga fan, but her products look really nice. But anyway, there's a swatch right there of it. Again, I don't know anything about the formula yet. I almost picked up both shades, but because they did offer a red option as another pick, but I just decided that I would just try out the formula, and if I like more, I can always go buy more. And I'm sure I can find it off the Boxycharm website, but I am looking forward to using this and playing around with this, and I haven't had a chance to wear it yet. The tones in my makeup look for the day. I've been wearing more warm tones right now, but I'll try this out very soon. My next personal pick was the Vanessa Myers. It's like their eye crayon in the shade Jade. And again, another brand I'm super happy to have seen in here. I've only tried a sample size product from Vanessa Myers in the past, so I really don't know, and again, I don't know how well that swatch is going to pick up on camera. It's, I think, right there. And I have actually tried this out as well, and I gotta admit, it's very holographic, it's very holographic green, and I had a real hard time picking out between this one or the purple one. Again, I could have picked out both if I wanted to, but I wanted to just try a couple different things in my box. And yes, I like this. I do think it's a little bit tricky to work with, and also you have to roll it up just the slightest amount or it will break off. I did notice this as I was applying it today, and I am wearing it today. I've got my mirror right here, and the color is beautiful, but working with it, you got to be very, very gentle, and the tip is so fine that you're gonna have to be gentle using it. And for me, that's kind of bothersome because you have to be like you have to use such a fine hand, but I also feel like you have to work to get the color to where you want it. So I think that once it's on, I think it's pretty, but I think trying to get it to that point is almost not quite worth the effort. So I'm not sure if I'll ever pick up more of these, but for what it is, it's pretty. The color payoff is beautiful. It's just formula wise, it's one of those formulas that's not very, like, what's the word am I looking for? It's not, you got to be very, very careful, and I'm one of those people who does not have a very light hand with it, so it's just one of those items that it's like, it's almost worth more effort to put it on than it is to own the product. And it's very like soft, like a very soft kind of formula, so it's definitely, you just got to be careful with it. And I've had products like this in the past and I did not like it. It's just, you got to have a very fine-tuned hand for a product like this. So it's nice, it's just, you got to be very delicate, and I'm not exactly delicate when it comes to putting on makeup. The last item that I picked up, and I'm super glad that I have this, is the Amica Dream Routine Overnight Hydration Treatment. I have used this and I gotta admit, I love it. It's not one of those products that I feel like it's sticking in my hair and that I have to wash out. Like I took a shower, I let my hair air dry for a couple of hours, then I put this in and I slept with it, and my hair is fine. I put, I think, 1, maybe 2 small pumps in my hand, ran it through my hair, and my hair instantly started feeling softer. In the morning, my hair felt nice and smooth. Kind of felt like I got a good deep kind of hair wash. You know, on a hair wash day and your hair is just extra soft. That's what I feel like with this, is except for it just added to the hydration. So I really did like this, and I can see this being like a regular in my hair care routine. So I do like this. I absolutely love when Boxycharm puts in hair care products, because I'm not one to want to go out and buy my own hair care products because I keep gravitating towards makeup every time I end up going shopping. But when I see that they have a hair care product in their picks, I usually will go after this first, and I am super glad that I have it. I've gotten a few hair care products, and I have liked, I think, most of what I've gotten hair care wise in my box. So anyway, that is my box this month. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see some tutorials or maybe using some of the products, let me know. I will gladly do them. If you'd like an updated review, let me know as well. But anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And I am currently pregnant, not for too much longer, but I am currently pregnant, and I do have some videos that I'd like to get up before I have this baby, so stay tuned for those. Hit that subscribe button if that's what you're into, and if not, but you still want to stick around, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.